What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So one thing I thought I'd do today is talk about this little mower I got. We got a lot of equipment to review. I don't want to belabor the point by giving you the nuts and bolts size, but what we're going to be reviewing today is the Bad Boy Revolt 36 inch. Now, I've used a lot of mowers over my life, and this one is built like a tank for a small mower. Let's just go check it out real quick. I mean, that deck size, look at the thickness of it. It's not going anywhere. Kawasaki engine like that. Oh, should have hours on this pup, I forgot. So it's got 177 hours, which for, the size of stuff we use it on, it's not too bad. We use it on quite a bit, actually. A couple things, the wheelbase here is pretty long for a stand-up. I really didn't pay attention to it when I got that. The travel speed's pretty good, power's pretty good. But let's go do something that, we don't need to talk about the nuts and bolts. So far I've only had one problem, and that's it's kind of a bad design. It's this safety switch down here. You can see it in there, maybe you can't. It gets clogged with grass and stuff and doesn't want to work. Yeah, let's go cut some grass with it. Now, I'm going to use this on my own grass because I have to cut it desperately, and I wanted to do a few reviews. And the blades on it are not great, I'm going to be honest with you. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we'll just look and see how this puppy cuts. I wanted to see how high this grass is. The mower don't really do it justice, but I'm just going to cut a few swaths with it here real quick, and this will be part of a larger mowing video than we're doing, because when grass gets this high, it's a little satisfying to watch it get mowed. At least I think it is. So without further ado, let's see how this little bad boy cuts. Let's get it set up. Now, one thing I like about the view of that camera is you get a pretty good look at the grass cut there. And I want to show you what these blades look like. They're definitely not great, okay? Matter of fact, they're absolutely horrific. So let me move the mower into position so you can see that. So check out those butter knives. And you can see that the grass I'm cutting is quite high. I mean, you can see that. And it's weedy. And these types of weeds don't cut well anyway. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut a little bit more grass for you guys. Overall ratings of this mower, it's not bad. The price makes it a pretty good value. Yeah, it looks a little dirty and stuff. We could clean it, but we just got done using it on a pretty nasty yard. And it's been through some pretty nasty stuff, so overall, it's decent. So, in conclusion, guys, not a bad mower, not ideal for what I'm putting it on right now, of course, but that's okay. Ooh, I blew grass all over everything. Anyways, I gotta go get a real mower, not to say this ain't. I'm gonna go get one of my bigger ones, and we'll continue this grass mowing. I'm gonna go ahead and make another video of that. I'm gonna be using a Gravely 60-inch stand-on. I always forget the name, a Pro Stance. This is a Pro Stance? Yeah, Graded Pro Stance. I'm gonna go grab that real quick, and then I'm gonna shoot another video. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, and always like, share, subscribe, hate, whatever you do, just do it well.